For question number 8, I'm trying to expand the logarithm, and I have two things that are being divided on the inside of one logarithm. So that's going to split up using the quotient rule. And two things being divided on the inside of one logarithm get split up into two logarithms with subtraction separating them. Okay, we're almost done. The log of x is okay, but log of 100, the implied base here is 10. And again, anytime you get two regular numbers here and here, then it's possible that you can simplify that more. So you need to ask yourself, 10 raised to what gives you 100? And that would be 2. So this term turns into 2. So 2 minus log of x. So the logarithm goes away here. Not here, but that first log goes away. So 2 minus log of x will be your answer. Okay, number 9, we have a lot of stuff going on here. We have 4 different terms that are all being multiplied and divided. So we're going to be using the product and the quotient rule. Okay, so this is going to be log of x to the 3 plus log of y to the 4th. And then anything that's on the denominator needs to have a subtraction sign in front of it because you're dividing by it. So minus log of z to the 6th minus log of w to the 5th. Okay, then we're still not done because we can still use the power rule. And I need to bring down each of those powers. So that's going to be 3 log of x plus 4 log of y minus 6 log of z minus 5 log of w. And that will be our final answer. Now, there is a slightly different way to do this, so I do want to talk about that. And that is, if you break it up like log of x cubed plus log of y to the 4th, and then if you look at the z to the 6th and the w to the 5th, these two are technically being multiplied by each other. So it's technically log of z to the 6th plus log of w to the 5th. However, because they're both on the denominator, then you would have to put a subtraction with a parentheses, and then that would get distributed to both of those. So then it would turn into log of x to the 3 plus log of y to the 4th minus log z to the 6th minus log w to the 5th. So you do get the same thing that we got here. It just takes 2 steps. So the way that I like to remember it is that any terms that are on the numerator, those have a plus in front of them. Any terms that are on the denominator, those have minus signs because you're technically dividing by both of them. So even though they look like they're getting multiplied by each other, and they are, I think it's easier just to put subtraction signs in front of both of them, rather than putting the plus sign and then having to distribute the negative. But either way is okay.